Twitch released their own alert box, and I'll just give you straight immediately, just made up that phrase, just gonna give you straight immediately reasons why I'm switching from Stream Elements. And by the way, if you're using Streamlabs alerts, you should stop. So starting with live alerts controls, so from Stream Manager, you know, that you probably already have open to check out your stream and how it's doing, you can skip and replay alerts. So immediately, just this integration with Twitch, it just makes everything just so much better. And it's one of the reasons why this is from the get-go a better solution than Stream Elements. It's like having an iPhone and a Mac. Anyways, so moving to celebrations. Celebrations is basically an emote explosion. You can do it on every variant of an alert. But the unique cool thing about Twitch's way of doing it is that it expands to Twitch's UI, like the chat and the area below the player, the stream player. So if you don't have the stream full screen, you will see the animation of the celebration, not only in the stream, but around the stream as well, which makes it look really nice. I've heard. I've never seen it before myself. So again, they're like flexing the fact that it's all just one platform, which is nice. I like that. It just makes, I don't know, it just makes the viewer experience better. Then we have goals. You probably saw your favorite Twitch streamers, Argofal and other people use that as well. They have like really minimal looking Twitch extension with like a goal of followers or subscriptions, and you can see a nice little progression bar. So now you have an alert for that. You have an alert for when the goal starts, and you have an alert for when the goal is reached. And it's all the same animation style, you know, same sort of sound design. This is pretty good. It's not cringe, you know, like a lot of default Streamlabs alerts and Stream Elements alerts. It's not that cringe. Another big thing that I don't think Stream Elements has is editing multiple alert groups. That's so big. If you never had custom alerts, trust me, this is gonna make your life so much easier. For example, you wanna change the text size, right? The font size on every single alert variation, right? There's so many of them, you know, that's the pain that I went through in Stream Elements. When I wanted to change the font size, oh my god, I remember, I have PTSD. Let's say you woke up and you fucking hate the font of your alerts, you know, the text of your alerts. You just fucking hate it, right? You just don't want it anymore. So in Stream Elements, if you had to change the font size, right, or the font or anything, you have to go to every single variation and you have to change it manually, scroll down, it's laggy and fucking shitty. I remember doing it. Here, that's all you need to do. Look, you just edit multiple, then you select, you can select all, boom. And these are all the settings you can do bulk editing to. I want to change the font size, you go here, and then I just change it to 30. Save changes, deselect, back to alerts. Whoops, wrong one. And it just changed it. And that's it, look. It's the same size everywhere. Wait. These two have different font. Oh, it's because I was fucking around with it. So let's fix it. Look, it's so easy to fix it. So we just do edit multiple. We again select everything. We go to text and we select, I don't know, Aldrich. Save changes, deselect, go back, boom. It's on every single alert. And the speed, please notice the speed. It's just so nice. It's so quick. You can close everything, check everything. It's so nice. Oh. Okay, real quick, let me just go through everything you can add. So you have follows, subscriptions, gifted subscriptions, cheering, raids, charity, hype trains, and goals. Let's just go to follows. I don't know why I have 3 here. To delete, you go to danger zone and delete variant. Boom, we deleted it. Boom, we deleted it. We can do celebrations. So this is what I was talking about. Let's enable it. For some reason, you can't really see it, can't really do a preview of it. It says here, celebrations will not be visible on the stream manager or OBS. So unfortunately, I can't show you. But here, you choose where the animation is played. You can just have it play in the chat, or it can be everywhere, which is what I was talking about. So if you choose everywhere, in theory, it will play on the stream and it will just expand everywhere. It will be on the chat, it will be above the stream, it will be below the stream. A fireworks, flame thrower, and rain. That's just animation, I think. I don't think the symbols change. Let's do preview alert. So that's how it will look like. I don't know if you heard the sound. Yeah, you did hear the sound. So I'm not a big fan of the sounds. I mean, they're not too bad, but I would definitely use my own. The UI is really nice. So if I go to text, I always had issues editing text in Stream Elements. I actually really like Open Sans. Looks clean. Oh, the thing I don't like actually is the fact that I don't have any settings for the drop shadow thing. You can just enable it and disable it. Granted, it looks pretty decent on the white background, but still would have been nice if, you know, I've had some control there. One of the things that kind of disappointed me was text to speech. It's a little bit buggy, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So let's enable it, say alert text. So we enable it, we use Brian. First of all, I don't like that I can't change the speed, so let's just test it.
Hi, my name is Brian.
Hi, my name is Brian. Like, it's too slow, right? But that's not the issue. So I've enabled it, let's save it, and let's do the alert on stream. Let's preview it on stream.
Argo foul just followed.
You see what happened? The beginning of Argo file gets cut out. It will happen with every username, and that's annoying. So I can't really use it. It's kind of a deal breaker for me.
Argo foul just followed.
I think they should fix that. It's probably not a hard thing to fix. So I'm going to disable that. I think I mentioned goals. So it's integrated with Twitch's really clean goal extension where you can set up follower or subscriber goals. You have two variants for the goal one for when it started, and when you reach the goal, it will be similar one, just like different colors, multiple arrows, and a trophy in the end. And again, in the same style as all the other alerts, which is great. One last thing that I want to talk about is if you go to subscriptions, and let's just select one of the variants and go to visual and sound. Here you have this option to let your viewers choose the alert. So let's go here. You can upload, I think, up to 5. I'm not sure. For now, I'm gonna assume that's 5 based on this UI, but I already tried it and it works perfectly. You can upload an MP4 and it will have sound as well. And now I can't enable it because I don't have anything here. When you first launch it, you'll have some default ones here. I just deleted them all. You can just put a bunch of funny videos, funny memes that are short. People who resubscribe will have an ability to, you know, choose themselves what alert will be shown on your stream. And it gets fun because they can wait for the best timing and then play a certain alert that will make you look stupid, right? It's great. It has an option for the sound as well, which is cool. So giving more options to people who resubscribe. I'll personally just use the image or video one because the videos that I'll be using already have sound. That's pretty much it. So